What's up, guys? It's Dwayne from mountainbuck.com, where we go from backyard to backwoods. And guys, me and Mrs. Mountain Buck have been working really hard lately, and we definitely need a vacation. So we are heading out to St. Maarten. We're gonna do a little kayak fishing, mess around, get in some trouble. So hook me up and hit subscribe, and let's check it out. The #1 tourist destination in St. Maarten is Maho Beach, where tourists can come and check out the planes because the airport and runway are directly behind the beach. We're gonna watch some planes come in here super low. Let's check them out.
This is what's going to go. It's my fault. I picked her. Listen, just getting a little roll. Good job. Good job. Yay, good job. Okay. 2. Okay, that's what you see. 2. Okay. All right, you're not drunk because there is 2 there. Let's see. I want everybody to go home with a prize. I did talk to the casino manager. Everybody gets a prize. I was stuck in my house like a lot of you guys for quite some time. I told myself that I was going to give this to as many people as I can for at least the next 2 years because I appreciate you people. Can I have a hug, young lady? Hello, darling. You're welcome. You are welcome.
Beautiful spot though, beautiful island.
Oh yeah.
See it? That one cloud's getting a little rain on us. I just put on a new piece of bait, right? Small little guy. He dropped inside one of the holes in the boat, you know, like one of those holes down there. And then because he went down, the hook wouldn't come back out. So I kept pulling on it. I had to just get a new one. That stuff happens.
Definitely with the clouds, it's huge help.
Yeah. Crazy. I'm pretty good if you want to get going. Could be hanging out, having a better time at the resort, you know? Yeah. Do you want to do something like just paddle over to somewhere, or do you want to just head in and get that really cool picture I want? Well, oh, I had a bite there. Did you see it? He probably took it. Oh, now it's getting interesting. Hang on. Yeah, that was a good bite. Tried the old smash and grab. Sorry, I just got rejuvenated. Well, not much luck fishing here today, guys. I got caught in the weeds a bunch of times. I had one good bite, but he slipped off the hook here, but man, I got no complaints. I mean, take a look at this view. I love the mountains in the background there. You got the planes flying in and flying out over the mountains. Absolutely beautiful here in St. Martin. It's like 85 degrees and the day's just getting started. I think me and Mrs. Mountain Buck are gonna head back and get some lunch here at the resort. So we'll check in with you later. Just a quick travel tip for you guys. If you go to an all-inclusive, bring your own drinking device, your own tumbler. Listen, 20 ounce right here. If you want to go bigger, 30 ounce. Or you get these little 9 ounce cups. Just a quick tip for you guys. Cheers. The Sonesta Resort at Maho Beach is just 5-10 minutes from the airport, and it's situated on this nice little main street where you got all kinds of clubs, restaurants, shopping, all kinds of good stuff here. There's a casino directly across the street. It's safe here. You got security guards, walk around during the day or night. Really nice little spot, convenient. Everything you can want on this little street right here. Plus the airport's right there, and you get to see those planes flying in real close over Maho Beach. Keep going. So we are back to reality, and of course we had about 6 inches of snow come in, and I'm so thankful for my neighbor Jim hooking me up, plowing out my driveway here. Nothing worse than being tired getting back, tired from traveling all day and then having to deal with, you know, plowing, shoveling and all that. So thank you to my guy Jim for hooking me up. Also, thank you to my wife's parents for watching our pups. Thank you guys so much. Had a great time in St. Martin. Really cool little island there. Nice people. Really unique experience seeing those planes come in super low over Maho Beach. Awesome time, guys. As always, the links to the items we talk about are in the description below. Guys, get yourself some killer mountain buck gear. Do me a favor, hook me up, hit subscribe. Thank you guys so much for hanging out, and we'll see you on the next one.